Dad.
And I am B-Nuts.
B-Nuts. Welcome to Drawing with the Blakeleys, I should say. Hey Bennett, what are we drawing today?
Oh, we're gonna draw a giant bird.
Yep.
Big Bird's uncle.
Big Bird's uncle. Yes. Giant bird. Trevor Henderson.
Oh.
Thank you to those people you see on the screen who suggested it.
I can't
Shall
see them
we?
because they're in the fifth dimension.
Sure. Or because I have yet to add their names in.
Yes.
All right, Bennett. Should we start with the eyes?
Well, the little black dots, they have fries.
We don't have to start with that. I'm gonna start with this head on the left. So we got the eye there. We got the kind of beaky mouth. Alright, there's the top part of the beak. Oh, so many mosquito bites. So there's one head. That's the big head.
I remember seeing a Saturday Night Live thing that's like, it's for a made up play, and the play's called "You're a Rat Bat Turd, Charlie Brown."
Hey, watch the language here.
Hey.
But yes, I do know what you're talking about. Alright, so two heads down.
I feel bad for Charlie Brown. He always has to suffer under the might of that girl who always takes the ball away from him.
That would be Lucy.
AKA the Devil's Spawn. But yes.
Alright. Third eye here.
Does this man have 3 eyes?
There's 3 heads. Sorry, did I say third eye? I meant third head here. So top here. Going into the beak. And then the underbeak. There's the inside part of that beak there. Alright, now this particular one has some weird sort of tentacle-y things protruding downward, he said, as though he knew what you were talking about.
Which I'm assuming you don't?
I mean, it's a little less unclear in this image, but in Trevor's original,
that's some skibbetti.
something like that.
It's I actually know what happened to this guy. You see, they were eating at
going on one of the two big legs here.
They were eating at Papa Mariano's.
Okay.
And and they had a big bowl of white spaghetti.
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 It's pronounced spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Okay, I'm good. I just assumed that I slightly got that right. Okay, fine. I didn't really get that right, but still. You see, guys.
Well, oh my gosh, you're already way ahead of me here. Hold on.
And the third head, you see what he did was he really is like a really messy eater. Like he walks out of a restaurant and the restaurant is on fire.
That would be pretty messy.
And he accidentally kills Papa Mariano, and he accidentally got little noodles on his face. And he was like, hey, that's so cool. So he never took them off. You see, the reason that they're still on is that he merged the spaghetti with his skin, because he's already white. Not to sound racist, but he's already pretty white.
Why would that be racist?
I don't know. It's
Just sounds like an observation to me.
So he just merged it with his body, and bam, that's how he became this.
No, I don't think that's correct. All right, now it looked to
Hey
me
yo,
like
what's
there was some-
that?
That's kind of like his rib cage area, I guess.
You must be looking at something else, because I'm looking at a different thing.
Yeah. I had previously done some practice drawings with the original, so I'm kind of doing a little bit of both. I've sort of incorporated both of them in there.
Well, I'm doing the one I can see, so.
Absolutely, nothing wrong with that. All right. So, Bennett, do you want to draw this? Do you want to color this? There's not a lot of color.
This
How about we do some shading?
Yeah.
Let's
That's
do it.
what I was going to
Alright, well.
Trevor Henderson.
Wait, I'm just now noticing, do you just have two heads on yours?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so there you go, friends. Hopefully that is something that you enjoyed watching.
Joy! You will like our things. You will love our things. And if you don't like them, then we'll... Also, guys...
let's not throw in the audience right now.
Also, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, or you'll be cursed with the curse.
Oh no,
of
this is a family.
bird.
This is a family channel. We can't curse on it, can we?
Oh, well, anyway, you
I'm
will
just
have bad luck.
I'm just kidding. I knew that you meant what you meant by curse.
You're going to be cursed under a spell.
All right. So, thank you to those folks that suggested it. Awesome job. This guy we were talking during the shading portion. He was like, I was the one who, brought in the whole Trevor Henderson thing, and now I'm kind of less into it. But now that I look at this is one of your better pieces lately. I think that you may not love the Trevor Hendersons, but you're not bad at them.
Yeah, I remember. I was a fan once, mainly because I watched this guy who just draw them.
Really? Was that guy named me?
No, it was guys tell stories.
Mm-hmm.
On me.
Draw my life, or draw my story kind of thing.
Yeah,
Anyway, on your screen you see our logo. Go ahead and click on that. Ring the bell, and you'll be notified each and every time that we put out a new video. Smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comments. These people did, and they got their thing. Until next time, friends, goodbye.